Imagine this. Someone is diagnosed with kidney disease. Their doctor tells them their kidney function is declining, maybe even below 20%. The future looks dark. Dialysis seems inevitable. But then something unexpected happens. They make a few simple changes, some specific habits, key foods, and overlooked strategies. And within months, their kidney function improves. Not just a little, by 30%, 50%, even 90%. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. It has already happened for many people, and it can happen for you too. Today, I will reveal 9 powerful habits that can transform kidney health, based on real cases and science-backed facts. And most importantly, one magical food that has shocked researchers with its ability to support kidney function. Stay with me till the end, because this information is life-changing. Let's start. The 9 habits for kidney health. 9. Understanding your diet, constipation, and dragon fruit. What if I told you that something as simple as constipation could be silently destroying your kidneys? You might not think much of it. After all, digestion issues happen to everyone. But what if I told you that every time waste stays stuck inside your body, it turns into a slow poison for your kidneys? Your kidneys are like a filtering system, constantly working to remove harmful substances from your body. But when your digestion slows down, toxins like uric acid, phosphorus, and nitrogen build up in your bloodstream instead of being flushed out. Over time, this extra toxin load puts immense pressure on your kidneys, forcing them to work harder than they should. And the result? Faster kidney decline, increased inflammation, and a higher risk of serious kidney damage. Now, here's where things get interesting. There's a natural way to fix this. A simple, powerful fruit that helps regulate digestion, flush out toxins, and reduce the burden on your kidneys. It's called dragon fruit. Also known as pitaya, this exotic fruit is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and gut-friendly nutrients that help keep your bowels moving and prevent toxin buildup. By eating dragon fruit, you're not just improving digestion, you're actually protecting your kidneys from kidney damage. But here's the problem. Dragon fruit isn't available everywhere. And if you don't have access to it, what can you do? Don't worry, I'll share other powerful alternatives later in this video. But for now, just remember this: if your digestion is off, your kidneys are already in trouble. Fixing it could be the first step toward better kidney health, starting today. 8. Potassium management, papaya, and misconceptions. For years, people with kidney issues have been warned about potassium-rich foods. They're told to avoid bananas, oranges, potatoes, and so many other foods because they could raise potassium levels and cause harm. But what if I told you that this is one of the biggest myths in kidney health? Yes, potassium can be dangerous in excess. But the real problem isn't the potassium itself. It's something hidden, something people don't talk about enough. The truth is, high potassium levels often come from 3 things: constipation, medication overdose, and metabolic acidosis. If your body isn't eliminating waste properly, excess potassium stays trapped inside. If your medications aren't balanced correctly, they can artificially raise potassium levels. And if you have metabolic acidosis, a condition where your blood becomes too acidic, your kidneys struggle to manage potassium effectively. So, instead of fearing potassium, the key is to manage it wisely. And one of the best foods to do this: papaya. Papaya is one of the safest fruits for kidney health. It's rich in fiber, supports digestion, and helps regulate potassium naturally. But like everything, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even something healthy, can cause problems. So, the next time someone tells you to cut out potassium completely, remember, it's not about avoiding potassium, it's about understanding how your body processes it. And when managed correctly, foods like papaya can actually support your kidneys instead of harming them. 7. Whole grains, brown rice, and alternatives. When it comes to kidney health, one of the biggest mistakes people make is completely avoiding grains. They're told that grains, especially whole grains, are bad for the kidneys, that they contain too much phosphorus, and that cutting them out is the best option. But what if I told you that this advice is not just misleading, but actually harming your kidneys in the long run? Here's what most people don't know. Whole grains like brown rice, bulgur, and farro are rich in fiber. And fiber is one of the most important nutrients for kidney health. Why? Because fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation, all of which directly impact kidney function. And there's something even more shocking. Studies have shown that people who follow a low-protein, plant-based diet see remarkable improvements in kidney function. Their creatinine levels drop, their toxin load decreases, and their kidneys are able to work more efficiently. And what's one of the key components of a plant-based diet? Whole grains. The truth is, it's not grains that are the enemy. It's the wrong type of diet. Processed foods, excessive animal protein, and phosphorus additives in packaged products are the real threats. Whole grains, when eaten in moderation and balanced with other kidney-friendly foods, can actually support kidney function rather than harm it. So, before you completely eliminate grains from your diet, ask yourself this: are you avoiding the right thing? Or are you unknowingly making your kidney health worse? Because the answer might surprise you. 6. Antioxidants, colorful foods. Your kidneys are under attack every single day. You may not feel it, but oxidative stress is silently damaging them, breaking down their ability to filter toxins and pushing them toward decline. And if you're not protecting them, this damage only gets worse over time. But here's the good news: there's a natural way to fight back. And the secret: color. Yes, colorful foods are packed with powerful antioxidants, natural compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow kidney damage. These aren't just foods, they are your kidney's natural defense system. Red foods, like tomatoes, are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against kidney inflammation. Purple foods, like blueberries, contain anthocyanins, which help prevent oxidative stress and support blood vessel health, both essential for kidney function. Orange foods, like carrots, provide beta-carotene, which fights cellular damage and supports overall kidney recovery. And then there's green foods, like spinach, loaded with chlorophyll, which detoxifies the body and helps the kidneys function more efficiently. These foods aren't just for good health. They play a direct role in preventing kidney decline. By adding more color to your plate, you're actively protecting your kidneys from the damage that so many people don't even realize is happening. So, the next time you prepare a meal, ask yourself, is your plate protecting your kidneys, or is it slowly leading them toward failure? Because when it comes to kidney health, color isn't just for beauty, it's for survival. 5. Coenzyme Q10 supplementation. There's something crucial about kidney health that almost no one talks about. A hidden factor that could be making kidney function decline faster than it should. It's not a food, not a drink, but an essential enzyme, one that your body needs to keep your kidneys running smoothly. And that enzyme is called coenzyme Q10, or simply CoQ10. CoQ10 is like fuel for your cells, giving them the energy they need to function properly. But for your kidneys, it does something even more important. It helps repair damage, reduce inflammation, and prevent further deterioration. It's also a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, the silent killer behind kidney disease. But here's the problem. Most people are deficient in CoQ10, and they don't even know it. If you're over 50 years old, or if you're taking cholesterol-lowering drugs, statins, your CoQ10 levels are likely dangerously low. And without enough of it, your kidneys struggle to function, your energy drops, and your body can't fight inflammation effectively. This is why supplementing with CoQ10 can be a game changer. It gives your kidneys the support they need to slow down damage, improve function, and even reduce joint pain. Another common issue in people with kidney disease. But here's something even more interesting. When combined with selenium, CoQ10 becomes even more powerful, amplifying its benefits and boosting kidney protection. So the real question is, if your body is losing CoQ10 every day, how long can your kidneys keep up before they start failing? The answer is clear. If you want to protect your kidneys, you need to take action before it's too late. 4. Phosphorus control, testing, and food labels. When people think about kidney health, they often worry about sodium. They cut down on salt, avoid processed foods, and think they're making the best choices. But what if I told you there's something just as dangerous? Something that most people completely ignore. A silent killer that speeds up kidney damage without you even realizing it. That hidden threat is phosphorus. Phosphorus is a mineral your body needs in small amounts. But when levels get too high, it turns into a slow poison for your kidneys. Excess phosphorus leads to calcification in the kidneys, meaning your kidney tissues harden and lose function over time. It also traps toxins inside your body, making it harder for your kidneys to filter waste. And worst of all, high phosphorus levels accelerate kidney decline, pushing people toward dialysis faster than they ever expected. And here's the most shocking part. Phosphorus is hidden in almost everything. You might not see it on labels as phosphorus, but it appears under sneaky names like phosphate or phosphoric acid. These additives are in packaged snacks, sodas, processed meats, and even certain breads. You could be consuming dangerous amounts of phosphorus every single day without even knowing it. So if you're serious about protecting your kidneys, checking food labels isn't optional, it's necessary. Avoid anything with phosphate additives, because even a little extra phosphorus can push your kidneys closer to failure. The choice is yours. Will you unknowingly let phosphorus damage your kidneys, or will you take control before it's too late? 3. Anemia management, testing, and treatment. There's something about kidney disease that most people don't realize until it's too late. Something that slowly drains their energy, clouds their mind, and makes even the simplest tasks feel exhausting. And that hidden issue is anemia. Anemia is more than just feeling tired. It's a condition where your blood doesn't have enough red blood cells to carry oxygen to your body. And here's the shocking part. Most kidney disease patients suffer from anemia without even knowing it. They think their fatigue, weakness, and brain fog are just part of daily life. But in reality, their body is starving for oxygen. Why does this happen? Because your kidneys play a key role in producing red blood cells. When your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they stop sending the signal to your body to make more red blood cells. And without enough of them, your energy drops, your immune system weakens, and your body struggles to function. So how do you fight back? By giving your body what it's missing. The first step is getting tested, checking your iron levels, hemoglobin, and other key markers. If your levels are low, you need B vitamins, B6, B9, and B12, iron supplements, and in severe cases, EPO therapy under medical supervision. The worst mistake you can make is ignoring anemia. It doesn't just make you feel weak. It actually makes kidney disease progress faster. If your body doesn't have enough red blood cells, your organs suffer, your recovery slows down, and your kidneys face even more stress. So ask yourself this: are you just feeling tired, or is your body begging for help? Because if it's anemia, the sooner you fix it, the better chance you have at protecting your kidneys before it's too late. 2. Be your own advocate, information and questions. What if I told you that the most powerful tool in protecting your kidneys isn't a medication, a diet, or a supplement, but knowledge? The ability to ask the right questions, challenge the right decisions, and take control of your own health. Because here's the truth: if you don't advocate for yourself, no one else will. Most doctors follow standard protocols. They check your blood work, prescribe medications, and follow a routine process. But your body isn't just another case in a medical textbook. And if you blindly follow every recommendation without understanding it, you could be making choices that harm your kidneys instead of saving them. That's why you need to start asking questions. Don't just accept what's written on your lab report. Demand answers. Ask your doctor, why are my iron levels low? What's my phosphorus level? Is this medication helping my kidneys, or is it making things worse? The more you ask, the more you learn. And the more you learn, the better choices you make. Many people who avoided dialysis for years simply by taking the right steps at the right time. But they could only do that because they educated themselves, they paid attention, and they questioned everything. So now the question is, are you just following along, or are you taking control? Because at the end of the day, your kidneys, your health, and your future are in your hands. And the sooner you start taking charge, the better your chances of protecting them before it's too late. 1. The most effective diet, very low protein. What if I told you that one of the most powerful ways to protect your kidneys is also one of the most controversial? You've probably heard about low-protein diets for kidney health. But what if I told you there's something even more effective? Something that has shocked researchers with its results. It's called the very low-protein diet, and for some people, it has slowed kidney disease, reduced toxic buildup, and even extended kidney function for years. But here's the part that most people don't realize. Protein isn't just about muscle and strength. It also produces waste, and when your kidneys are already struggling, that waste becomes a burden they can't handle. Every time you eat protein, your body produces uremic toxins, substances that your kidneys are supposed to filter out. But when kidney function is already compromised, these toxins build up in your blood, damaging organs, causing inflammation, and making kidney disease worse. By dramatically reducing protein intake, you reduce the toxin load, give your kidneys a break, and slow down the damage that's pushing them toward failure. But here's the truth. Not everyone can or should follow a very low-protein diet. It's a specialized approach that must be done under medical supervision to ensure your body is still getting the nutrients it needs. However, for the right person, it can be life-saving. A chance to buy more time, avoid dialysis, and protect kidney function for as long as possible. So the question is, if your kidneys are struggling, is your diet helping them heal? Or is it unknowingly making things worse? Because when it comes to kidney health, sometimes eating less is the key to living more. We've covered a lot, but let's recap the key takeaways, because these aren't just tips. They're the difference between kidney damage and kidney protection. First, constipation is a silent killer. If your body isn't eliminating toxins, your kidneys suffer the consequences. Fix it with fiber-rich foods like dragon fruit. Potassium isn't the real enemy. Mismanagement, constipation, and medication imbalances are. Whole grains, antioxidants, and supplements give your kidneys the nutrients they need to fight inflammation and slow down damage. We also expose the hidden dangers of phosphorus, how it's quietly damaging kidneys in processed foods. And anemia? It's draining your energy and making kidney disease worse. But testing and the right nutrients can help. Lastly, the very low-protein diet. For some, it's the key to slowing kidney disease and extending function for years. And remember that one magical food, dragon fruit, a powerful natural detoxifier. But the truth is, no single food can fix your kidneys alone. If you found this valuable, share this video, comment below, and subscribe now, because this knowledge could save a life, maybe even yours.